Good morning. Today we're gonna Shenandoah, see the leaves change, so I'm really excited. I'm going with my parents. Let me just show you an outfit. Another vlog.
오늘?
And today. Louie is coming with us. Louie. My mom made kimbap for today.
오늘 좀 잘 안 됐는데 예쁘게 안 됐어. 그래도 맛은 짱이야.
그래? 맛있겠다. I'm also gonna bring some of my cookies. I baked these yesterday, so I'm gonna bring them for today. Okay, we're gonna take Louis, so we're gonna also bring him some snacks. 가자, 우리도 같이 가자. Such a good boy.
잘라고?
Maybe. We've been stuck here for like 40 minutes.
Shenandoah National Park 산책.
What do you think I'm doing right now? Mom and Dad are eating.
I have this.
Go right through, center lane, go right through.
Thank you. Go right through, center lane.
Good.
I think that's what is it? The gate thing. Seasonal thing.
There'd be more red. It's like mostly yellow. What's the urge to turn the phone?
Take off, little airplane boy, and head for the clouds.
Oh my gosh, that was a ladybug infestation. My dad is taking photos by himself. I'm too scared. Oh my gosh, another ladybug! There's so many ladybugs. There's a ladybug on your shoulder again. Oh my gosh, wait, come here. Hey, let's go! I don't like this, I don't like this anymore. You gotta speed with the windows down so that all the bugs can leave. Alrighty, oh my gosh, this is a great angle. Like, I'm not using a tripod right now. I just set it. We came to the visitor center and just to like have a little rest stop, use the restroom, and now we're gonna head home. It was a long day today. We honestly thought that the leaves were gonna be redder. This is our third time coming. It's our second time this fall. And last time when we came, it didn't change colors enough, so we thought we'd come again in like 2 weeks, and that's this time. And most of the trees are like yellow and not red. It's not as vibrant as we thought, but I think it was okay still. Yeah, and the weather is so nice too, so that really helped. Came home, got a package. So I'm back. I have my Zara package. I ordered this a few days ago when I was really bored on Zara. I'm not the biggest Zara fan. I don't know if it's just me, but all the stuff I order on Zara I end up returning because it just doesn't look as good in person. I don't know. I really want to like Zara. I don't know. I feel like Zara is really hyped up, but their quality isn't that good. All that to say, I literally ordered something from there. I've been needing like a casual sort of jacket to just wear these like more chilly fall days. So let's see. Here it is. Oh my gosh. Wait, why is this so much lighter? So much flimsier than I thought. See, this is what I'm talking about. I thought it would be more structured and like a denim material because, okay, if you guys can see this, I'll also put in photos of what it looked like. I thought it would be actual denim, so flimsy and stretchy. Can you see this? Okay guys, I think I'm gonna have to return this. I'm really sad. So I really thought this one would work. It's not really what I was expecting. It's kind of just frumpy. Okay guys, that's kind of sad. But I did buy something else, and this I thought for sure I would like. Oh my gosh, wait, this is actually cute. This for sure I knew I'd probably like, because how can you kind of go wrong with jewelry? What you see is like usually what you get. Okay, I've been wanting to buy more silver jewelry, but all of my necklaces are mostly gold, so it was really iffy. So I thought this would be like a good earring to wear. It has both gold and silver. I feel like if you have both, you can mix your metals so much easier. I feel like it's also not too chunky like the Bottega ones. These are sort of more of a middle, like not super chunky basically. I'm just so good with words. They are pretty heavy, but I don't mind that. The earrings on so I could show you guys. This is what it looks like. It's a few hours later. I actually just had dinner downstairs with my parents. Sorry about my hair, by the way. This is how I usually look, but we were planning to go out for dinner today, but plans changed because I actually have to be back home by 9, because at 9 my time I'm actually having a little movie night with my friend. It'll be morning for her and 9 p.m. here for me, and we're watching Twilight. This is really random, but yeah, we're having a little movie night. It's 5:30, so I have a bit of time. I think I'm gonna first clean up my room. It's not as like organized as I want it to be, and I want it to be really organized so I feel better about my environment. It just makes me feel better. He like scratches a little bit and you can hear it. He always comes when he's bored and he leaves after like 2 minutes, but I appreciate that he thought of me. He just woke up from a nap. Out of my bed for now. I just cleaned my room. I'm really happy now. It's definitely cleaner. I feel a lot better. Let me turn on my light. Right now it's a little gloomy, it's a little dark. Yay. Okay. Louie. Louie, what are you doing? I'm done cleaning my room. Louie is out of the room, so not as much background noise. Anyways, long story. It is 6 p.m. and I think I'm just gonna get some work done and yeah, just watch some more vlogs while I do my work. I've been watching Shark Tank. I've known about Shark Tank for so long, but I never watched it. And then probably a few months ago I started watching and I binge watched everything. Now I'm watching season 13 that's on Hulu. I'm really happy because I haven't watched this season at all. So I have like a whole bunch of episodes to watch and I just love this show.
We're using full gray colorants and we are
Oh, she's calling me on audio. Hello? Hello? I'm vlogging today, and now I'm like vlogging that I'm gonna watch Twilight with my friend.
Really?
Yes.
Am I recorded already?
Yeah.
Dude, I'm so glad. I knew for some reason I followed my intuition and I didn't turn on my camera today. I knew something is great.
Wait, so she already said this line.
Wait, I'm at birds chirping.
3?
Wait,
Oh, stop. Okay.
Wait, we're at the exact same frame.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Got it?
Yeah.
Oh.
More like the way he started beatboxing.